Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to tell you about an HTML program, how we will write the HTML program as per program which is required for the practical of CBSE class 10th computer application. So today we are going to discuss a first program of HTML as for the project. So you have to write as per the given instructions, and I will show you all the details regarding the program. First you have type in quote in bracket HTML. After that type head is in the bracket. Now type the title of the program, whatever you can use it, like the using links. After that, close the title by backward slash and again close the head by the same condition. Now move to the next command. Type the body bg color. You all have to please check that the spelling of color, because I hope you know that in computer we have always used COLOR. After that, whatever you want as a background of the particular program, you have to insert the color is in double quote. Now move to the next point and write the first heading in center. After center, you have to using the H1 code for the program. Now type the font tag with the font face is equal to whatever you can type here. I will show you according to your system. Just go through the font and after opening the tools, I have my system is getting some slow. Now after that choose the font whatever you can, जो भी आपको मन करे. Now here are some fonts, but I hope we will use a simple font as a Arial. Arial is in the bold, whatever. These are not affected your program. This is just for the font which you have used in your program. So now if you have know the spelling, then you have go through it. Otherwise, just copy the spelling and click here OK. Now after font face, you have used the double quote and type the font name what you have want to insert there, and now also use the font color by some specific color, as I am using purple. Spelling must be checked by you, because if spelling is wrong, then your program will not be run. Now after that, make a heading whatever you want. So we are doing a program on the Dal Lake. So I'm going to write the Dal Lake. Now after Dal Lake, you have to enclose the font tag by the using slash and font. Now move to the next line. Now again, close the H1 tag. After that, again use for the write the description of the Dal Lake by using the different font size and font style with the color. H1 is commonly used for the heading. Now this one is a font size for the detailing of your program. That will be 7. One thing you all should be remember, in the number value, in the case of value, if you have put the number, then never be specify with the double quote. If you are writing any alphabetical tools, alphabetical value, then you have insert the double quote like that. If you left it, then just use your navigation key and go through them. Now after that, write some lines about the Dal Lake. So, Dal is a lake in Srinagar. It is just for education, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Just change the line, Jammu and Kashmir. India. I love this place. You can type whatever you want. Dal Lake is also known as a lake of flower. If you want to insert some other details, you can also insert there. So now I am going to conclude my program by using the close font tag. And now after that, you have to insert the image src tag for inserting the font picture. One thing I would like to tell you, when you insert a picture, just go through the particular picture property. And one thing you have to remember, when you insert a picture, that should be the place on the particular program place. Means if your program is on desktop, then your picture is also be on a desktop. Now choose that picture, copy the file name, picture name, or you can also type that thing. After that, go through the program and just paste it by using double quote, which we have already discussed. Now after that, enclose with the center tag, because I hope you remember center is a container element. Now after that, close with the body along with the HTML. Now your program has been completed. Now just save it by using some specific command as a save as. Change here picture as per the tools, the rules, that is all files. Now type here dull lake 1.html. You can also use different names. It's on your choice. Now save it. After save it, just minimize this one and again open the program that you have been done. Just go through the program and click enter button and wait for the responding. Your program will open and this is your program. I hope you are getting the program. If you want, you can take this picture in the middle part of the program by using the center tag as image tools. I hope everyone clear. So soon we will meet with the another program. Thank you for watching us. Please be subscribe and share. Thank you again.